And here we are with a female northern cardinal. She's the real beauty. Here's a close-up. Just enjoying a drink. Here's a male northern cardinal having a bath. It was a little bit warmer this day. Not frigid cold like it is now. Seemed to really enjoy himself. And this is a red-breasted nuthatch. This is a dark-eyed junco having a sip. They're our winter resident. They're out here in the spring or summer. And this is an American goldfinch, which are bright yellow. This is a downy woodpecker. This bird really loves our suet. This is a tufted titmouse, one of my favorites. Very fun to watch. They make a Peter sound. That's how you can kind of tell. And it enjoys the water as well as peanuts and safflower seed. And these are usually the last ones of the night. Mourning doves.